So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iMessage is telling you that you just got signed out and you're trying to figure out what to basically do at this point. Now, there's a couple of different things that can kind of happen here. The first thing you're going to want to do is see if you can do kind of like a semi-soft reset for iMessage. Now to do this, it's actually pretty basic. Or what you're going to want to do is you want to open up your settings application of your iPhone, and you want to scroll down until you find that messages option. So go down into the apps portion here if you're on iOS 26. Keep scrolling down and then find that messages option, which is right here. Tap on it. And all you're going to want to do is where you see iMessage, go ahead and toggle this off, wait a second or two, and then toggle it back on. Sometimes just turning it on and off can sometimes end up fixing the problem, and that might be all you're going to have to do in this particular situation. So go ahead, try giving that a try, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Another thing you might want to try doing here too is to try updating your iPhone. So back inside of your iPhone settings, scroll over until you find this general settings option, which is right over here. Tap on software update, and all you're going to want to do here is to try updating your iPhone. This is another very easy thing you can try doing as well, and this might end up fixing the problem in your particular situation as well. So try doing that here, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. Sometimes Apple can also have random issues going on for their particular devices as well. So sometimes you might just have to go to a website like downdetector.com. And if iMessage or Apple or anything like that is kind of on this website, well, that's going to be one of the ways that you can kind of fix this as well. So by going here, you can try seeing if Apple or iMessage or anything like that is on here. And if it is, all you're basically going to have to do is kind of just wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.